So this is a little bit of an unusual video for my channel, almost more of a PSA. But I'm a curious person, so I love learning about anything and everything. And since starting this channel, I learned a lot about the back end of YouTube and kind of how everything works. And YouTube has changed over the last couple years. And basically what has happened is they used to promote things to a wide audience, and now, probably because of advertising, they want to promote it to a niche audience. So, for example, with my channel, they would say, who's interested in cars? Who's interested in cars that are Porsches? Who's interested in cars that are Porsches that are Boxers? And on your homepage of your YouTube channel, like when you type in youtube.com and that homepage comes up, if you are in that niche, you will be fed that video or be shown this video or my channel or other related channels. Now, this can be a good thing because if you're interested in that topic, of course, it's great for you to be shown those videos. But the problem lies in the fact that the window of opportunity that they give those videos to be seen is very short. As of recording this video right now, most long-time YouTube content creators are saying it's about 48 hours that the videos, when you first release them, go to the YouTube homepage for the niche audience that they're intended for. And after that, they disappear. Now, what can help that? Well, you probably guessed it. Subscribing, liking, and even better, commenting. Any sort of engagement is what really kind of ticks the box as a major data point for YouTube that this content must be valuable. So why am I telling you this? Well, it's not because it's just my channel. I'm doing this very part-time. This is not something that I'm, trying to live off of or anything like that. But I have learned about these analytics just being as a part of the ecosystem. And so I encourage you, for any channel that you watch and enjoy the content from, liking, subscribing, and like I said, better yet, commenting, because not only is that going to help you get more content that you're more interested in, but it's also going to allow that video to survive a little bit longer out there for other people who have that same niche interest as you are. Okay, so enough of that. I guess since this is a Boxster channel, maybe we just end with some sexy shots of my Porsche Boxster. Sound good? All right, here we go.